What's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you for watching Brenspeed TV. Why am I pumped up today? Seriously, what's not to be pumped up about? 1976 F100 COYOTE swapped, Roush supercharged. An example of vehicles we built here at Brenspeed. I just got this thing calibrated, came out awesome. I really want to show you. If you watch my videos, I do a lot of Mustangs and F-150s, but to put the new technology in an older vehicle like this is simply awesome. Check out this dyno video, and then I want to show you the engine compartment. Over here, take a look at these numbers. 597 real horsepower, 510 torque to the tires. Man, this truck makes so much more power than it did from the factory, but why shouldn't it? Look at this. COYOTE swapped, Roush TVS 2300 supercharged. We're using the Roush cold air intake. Of course, just like we do on a normal Mustang, all the injector and fuel pump upgrades, everything you need to make really good power. This thing's even running factory exhaust manifolds. It's a really awesome truck. Man, I love this thing. I can see myself rolling down the road in this. It's so cool when you get in it. It's got like really bouncy old school seats. We installed some Dakota Digital Gauges inside, like a whole little dash assembly. Actually, let's take a look at that real quick. What do you think? You see me rolling in a vehicle like this? I think I see myself rolling in it. Check out the Dakota Digital Gauges. These things are sweet. Might be a little hard to see, but you got an 8,000 RPM tach with a clock. You got 160 mile an hour speedo. You have plenty of gauges over here to the side. Everything from fuel to battery, oil pressure, as well as coolant temp. And then a retro sound stereo. So this retro sound stereo is designed to fit in the factory location. And it's completely high tech. So it's got everything from your satellite radio to pretty much everything like a new radio of today would have. And it makes the inside of this vehicle look pretty legit old school, but a little high tech at the same time. So I love this vehicle. I think I'm gonna go take it on a rip. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We build vehicles like this all the time. You might have something like this you want to do a COYOTE swap in. Give us a call at 574-594-9559 or email quote@brenspeed.com. We'd be happy to help you out. Please subscribe. I'm gonna get this thing off the dyno and take it on a rip. Thanks for watching.